Okay, good morning students. Today we'll start carboxylic acid. Aldehyde ketone already you have done. So carboxylic acid means those organic compound which contain COOH as the functional group. Those compound which contain COOH group, they are called carboxylic acid, and the general formula of carboxylic acid is written like this: RCOOH is the general formula of carboxylic acid. So we'll start from the nomenclature, I mean from naming we'll start. So first, nomenclature. Formula, common name, IUPAC name. So these are some example of carboxylic acid. This is the smallest carboxylic acid which contain only one carbon. This is second one, 2 carbon present. Here 3 carbon present. Four carbon present here. Here also 4 carbon present. So now I start the naming. In carboxylic acid, mostly in carboxylic acid, maximum compounds, in maximum compounds the common names are very important. So that's why I give you the common name also. For example, first one and second one, these two compounds common names are mostly used. The common name of first one is called formic acid. I think you have heard the name. Second one everyone knows it, acetic acid. Acetic acid is common name, not the IUPAC name. Third one 3 carbon, that's why it is called propionic acid. Propionic acid. 4 carbon, this is called butyric acid. Butyric acid. This is called isobutyric acid. Branching is present, that's why iso. So these are the common names. And when you write the IUPAC names of this compound, since the functional group COH contain carbon, and this functional group always present in the terminal position, that is why that carbon must be number 1 in any compound. So here only 1 carbon, this should be number 1. Here this one number 1, this is number 2. Here 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this you have to do numbering. Here 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. Like this also you can come, and this one will act as branch. In the first compound, only 1 carbon present. So methane, and for carboxylic acid you have to apply the suffix oic acid. That's why it is called methane plus oic acid, methanoic acid. Second one 2 carbon, that's why ethane, so it is called ethanoic acid. So ethanoic acid and acetic acid both are same. Acetic acid is common name, ethanoic acid is the IUPAC name. This is called propanoic acid, 3 carbon present, that's why propanoic acid. This is called butanoic acid, 4 carbon present. And in this compound 3 carbon you have got, that's why propanoic acid, and second position contain one methyl group, that's why 2-methyl propanoic acid. So this is the process how to write the IUPAC naming. This is one of the carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. Benzene contains COOH group. This is one carboxylic acid which contains 2 COOH group. The common name of this acid is called benzoic acid, and common name of this acid is oxalic acid. Everyone knows it. Oxalic acid. Its formula is H2C2O4. Structural formula is like this. IUPAC name benzoic acid, you can write benzene carboxylic acid. Benzene carboxylic acid. Nowadays benzoic acid is also considered as IUPAC, so you can write benzoic acid also. If you want to write the IUPAC name of oxalic acid, 2 carbon present, so 1, 2, 2 carbon means ethane, ethane 1,2 dioic acid. Ethane 1,2 dioic acid. This is one of the compound, important compound, which contain 2 COH group like this. The common name is important. Its common name is phthalic acid. And IPC name, if you want to write, you have to write like this: benzene 1,2 dicarboxylic acid. So in some cases we are using oic acid, and in some cases we are writing carboxylic acid. Why it is like that? When you consider the carbon of COH in your numbering, then you can write oic acid. But here we will do the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here since 2 COH present, that's why no need to numbering that. You have to numbering only on the benzene carbon, and that is why benzene is your main chain. And since COOH carbon is not considered in numbering, that's why you have to write as carboxylic acid. Since 2 carboxylic acid present, that's why you have to write dicarboxylic acid. Here also, if you numbering this one, you cannot numbering ring carbon, because when you numbering in open chain, you cannot do numbering in ring. Since ring contain more carbon, that's why numbering you have to do here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this carbon no need to do numbering. So when you do not numbering the carbon of COH, then you have to write as carboxylic acid. Otherwise, if you write benzoic acid, or if you write benzenoic acid, then you don't know whether the COH is present or not above the benzene ring. So that is why you have to mention carbo, I mean one carbon is present. So here also, if you write oic acid, then you don't know whether 2 carbon is present or not. That's why you have to write carboxylic acid. So this is the way how to do naming of carboxylic acid. Now we'll go for, can you write the name of this one in textbook? In text question this is given: pH CH2 CH2 COOH. Write the IUPAC name of this one. How to write? pH means the phenyl group, I mean the benzene ring, and these are open chain carbon. This is ring. So since here functional group is present 1, 2, 3, like this you can do numbering. So name you have to write like this: 3-phenyl propanoic acid. This is the name. Another compound given, number 2, you have to write the IUPAC name: CH3 whole 2 C double bond CH COH. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? If you want to write the IUPAC name of this compound, you can break it like this: CH3 C, 2 CH3 present, that's why you can write like this: double bond CH COOH. Here 2 functional group present, carboxylic acid and alkene, double bond. Since carboxylic acid get maximum preference 1, 2, 3, 4, that's why name should be 3-methyl but 2-in-1 oic acid. You can write oic because in carboxylic acid carbon you use in numbering. Another compound asks, number 3, a ring is given, 5-membered ring. One CH3 is present here and one COOH is present here. So this must be number 1 carbon, this is number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So 2-methyl cyclopentane carboxylic acid. Here you have to write carboxylic acid because COH is not used in numbering. So this is the way how to write the IPSC naming of carboxylic acid. These are in-text question. Thank you.